Welcome to another video tutorial by MilesWeb. Click on the subscribe button to get notified for our latest videos. How to add and delete CNAME records in cPanel and WHM. Steps to add a CNAME record in cPanel. Log in to cPanel. From the Domains section, click on Zone Editor. Go to the domain for which you want to add a new CNAME record and click on the plus CNAME record option just besides the domain. A new window for Add a CNAME record for domain name will appear. Here, enter the name of the domain and CNAME of it. Then, click on Add a CNAME record. This way, you can add a new CNAME record in cPanel. Steps to add a CNAME record in WHM. Log into WHM. From the DNS functions section, click on Edit DNS Zone. Click on the domain for which you want to create the CNAME and then click on Edit. Go to the bottom and find the section Add New Entries below this line. Click the Select drop-down menu and select CNAME. Enter your CNAME in the first field, like we are using test. Now, enter your host name in the field besides the drop-down menu. Here, we are using the host name as example.com. Click on Save. This way, you can add a CNAME record in WHM. Steps to delete a CNAME record in cPanel. Log in to cPanel. Click on the Zone Editor button under the Domains section. Go to the domain for which you want to delete the CNAME record and click on the Manage option. This will take you to the Manage zone where a list of all records will be displayed for each domain. Here, click on CNAME to view the list of CNAME records. Click on the Delete option. You will be asked for confirmation prior to deleting the record. Click on Continue, and that's it. This way, you can delete a CNAME record in cPanel. Steps to delete a CNAME record in WHM. Log into WHM. Under the DNS Functions section, click on Edit DNS Zone. Click on the domain for which you want to delete the CNAME record and then click on Edit. Find the CNAME record you want to delete. You will need to delete the text records for that particular domain. Go to the Record Selector drop-down menu to change the record type from CNAME to Select for the domain you have deleted the text records. This will remove the record type like this. Click on Save, and that's it. This way, you can delete a CNAME records in WHM. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If yes, then hit the like button. For any technical questions, you can contact us on this email ID. Do follow us on other social media platforms.